Welcome back, JavaScript explorers. Today, we're checking if a number qualifies as a natural number using JavaScript. We'll validate type, value, and make sure it's a finite whole number. Let's dive in and explore the logic. A natural number is a non-negative whole number. We check against decimals, negatives, and non-finite numbers like infinity. This helps in validation, calculations, and data filtering. So, how do we test it cleanly in JavaScript? Here's our main function, called isNatural. First, we ensure the input is actually a number. Then we check if it is a non-negative, finite, and has no decimal part. Let's see it in action. This function uses a simple step-by-step validation. It checks the input's type, then it confirms it is a whole number and not a non-negative. Infinity is filtered out to avoid invalid cases. When all pass, the function returns true, confirming a natural number. Each test validates our conditions clearly. Negative numbers and fractions are ruled out. Even 10 divided by 0, which is infinity, gets caught. This logic is robust for clean number validation. Natural number checks are essential in the real world. Think of forms, game scores, and anywhere you expect positive whole numbers. They help prevent bugs and ensure data integrity. Let's wrap up what we've learned. That's a wrap on identifying natural numbers in JavaScript. We've combined type checks with math logic to validate numbers properly. Now you can confidently check for natural numbers in any project. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.